Welcome back, everyone. Boy, there's a lot of people out there watching old Uncle Warren Buffett and the cash he's been piling in on the sidelines, wondering if we're actually gonna have a pullback. Now, I'm here to talk XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum in this video. Are you sitting on dry powder? I'm going to start with the question of the day because I know a lot of you, I asked you yesterday if you watch me. If you watch it, is it part of your morning routine? I told you I used to listen to Bob and Tom in the morning when I'd go to work, and they were only on until 10 Eastern. And then for about a half hour before I had some major work I had to do every day at 10:30, I sat there bored. And so I hope I'm a part of your morning routine. And if so, let me know where you're watching from, listening from. Do you watch or do you listen? Some people are like, hey, I can't watch it, but I do listen. So I try to be a little bit better in talking about the lines and the graphs and all that stuff. And I'll continue to do that, thinking of you. But starting out with a little positivity today. Not the positivity of not having the cord work like usual, but the positivity that I like to bring. Caden, shout out to you. I see some of the wins in here in the Discord. iBeach, shout out to you. There we go. A lot of plays out there. iBeach with more wins. Coog in there with the wins. 808 Tensei, one of our expert traders in here, just locking up the gains. 808 Tensei again. Dr. Known, DGen in the house. All kinds of good wins out there. iBeach, we got Hail Buck. Let's go. Swisher Sweets in there. Ecrypt in there. The dog, Arkansas dog, dropping some wins. Kaiser Yi and Donnie Lama. Let's go. Yeah, so if you're not a part of the Discord, running out of days left. But the first link down below will save you 50% off your first month. Code LEARN, LEARN. It's 25 bucks now with that code in there. Should be automatic though. Second link down below is over there where we have the framework. You can learn this. This is on the house, no cost. 4-step framework for successful technical analysis by yours truly. Yeah, check it out. And then, of course, the third link down below with the Mo, Wills, and Dr. Stocks workshops. We got these ready to rock and roll for next weekend, not this weekend. So save 20 bucks off any of these. You can get the whole package deal down here. But code money at checkout will save you that. All right, let's get into it, folks. So the question of the day, and as you're sitting out there doing whatever you're doing this beautiful day, hopefully it's a beautiful day or night, wherever you're listening, watching, whatever from, are you sitting on dry powder? I got to tell you, I started my process of moving dry powder around. Now, for those who've been following me for the 5 years, I started with nothing. I had nothing. And I told you even before then, I worked up to have a couple of Bitcoin, quite a few of them, and they got stolen from me. And that was when I was mining, and I would mine them. Not mining Bitcoin, but mining other things, turning it into Bitcoin. And then I got robbed and I lost everything. It didn't let it stop me. I knew crypto was going to have a bright future. I continued to do my thing. And of course, I built it up again. And then, of course, Mrs. Mo, as you guys know, went through her cancer ordeal, fought for her life, and it cost us everything. So once again, I lost everything again. I didn't let that stop me. I moved forward, and now I was able to make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars right in front of you over the last 6 weeks. But even before then, over the last 5 years, I was able to make hundreds and hundreds of thousands, and it's getting up there to where we're making about $500,000 to 750 thousand in profit off of this crypto. And my goal is to take the money I made plus the money I invested through the last 5 years, which is over $1 million, like 1.2 million now, have it invested into crypto come the end of September. Now I'm going to tell you up front. The game plan, and because I know I took profit at the top, I absolutely sold a ton. Then it bounced back down. I bought back in. It ran up again. I sold again. So the rinse repeat over the last 6 weeks have worked perfectly. Yeah, and the timing, for anybody who said, oh, the timing's next to impossible. Following the daily candles gives you all the information you need. Remember, as the Bitcoin was collapsing, I got out of all of it. Now it's way down. And then with XRP, 360 something, 330 something, where are we at with XRP? We're going to show you in the charts. And of course, with Ethereum, that's the only one that's kind of been sideways up a little bit. So a little bit of seller's remorse there, but not much because the charts are starting to change a little bit. And I do have my prognostication here that I'm going to go over in this video to discuss where I see things going. Now, I believe I'm right, and that's the problem. The problem. I believe I'm correct in what I am looking at in terms of September. I just don't see it being positive. With the Treasury reloading 300 billion in liquidity out of the markets, oh man, I can't see I see a very limited upside potential, if any. I actually think we're going to see prices lower as we get through 2, 3, 4 weeks of September than we are right now. And so let that sink in. That's what I believe is going to happen. But I also am smart enough to know that we have been in similar situations, not quite as good as, we're not as good as it was then, but we are in a similar situation where the market did end up making money and it was higher. And after we got through that headwind stopping us, it actually ran nicely. So I am starting at this point my DCA project. And remember, my goal is to have $1 million invested or more by the end of September. Right now, you can say, what do you got, Mo? And that's where I'll start with the big one. And I want everybody to know, I want to be upfront. So right now, I'm showing you my overall portfolio. It's 2.403 mil. Now, I don't do this to brag, boast, or anything. I want to be the most transparent person on who teaches on YouTube. And that's why I'm here to do this. So as you look, you can see down below, I got two $10,000 orders of Ethereum. Now, at this particular moment in time, we're down 400 on the first buy. It kept dropping. Then I bought the second buy yesterday, which is down $66 at the end of the day. It was a good time. I mean, it got up for a while. It was up. I bought at when Ethereum got down to I think it was 44.70 something, bought it, bounced back up to 45. Then obviously by the end of the closing bell at 4 o'clock, it did drop. Now my portfolio overall was up $400, but that was because of TLT. Big win there. Nice little 0.65. I have $500,000 into that. So that little gain actually makes me a lot of money. And I believe it's going to do very well. Now the surprising one, even with TLT running up, is Rocket running down, which I think if you continue to see TLT get some love, which I think we will, Rocket will as well start to get the love. So I'm going to leave that in there. I think I'm going to, I know I usually cut it at 10. I might expand that a little bit and take a little additional risk with that just to tell you. All right. So I got the 20,000 in. And you can say, okay, that's not $1 million. No, I got 30,000 over at Kraken here. If you guys haven't signed up for Kraken, you can do that. Fourth link down below. You can take advantage of that right there. Boom, trade 100, get 25 in XRP. But I do have Kraken, and I got 30K there. So 20, 30, it's 50K. And then we go over to right here. Let's see how we're doing right now. Let's update this. If we go higher or lower here. I went up a little bit, $50. So I'm over at Coinbase where I got 65. Put it all together, we're at 115,000 plus a little bit some other places. And I'm going to talk about these three with the million because that's where I did have the milli. And so my goal is between these three to get over a mil. Actually a little bit more. But I just want you guys to know that is what I am doing. And so when we watch this and you say, hey, you dropped a little bit. So my strategy is this. We can watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin today, or I should say, I want to do over the last 5 days. So let's pull this up. Over the last 5 days, Bitcoin, big drop down. The Fed, that Friday, what was it, last Friday? Saved them. Just absolutely saved them. And now you have that sell-off actually on the 109, and then we kind of move up. We're getting new higher lows. Could be a new higher low here. And so I can't say that we know for 100% fact what's going to happen. You can see sideways motion on XRP basically down to 295 again. And then Ethereum over the last 5 days actually not looking great. And you can see it's starting to come down now. And so my goal for Ethereum, because that's the one I think is going to give me the biggest bang for my buck as we go forward, is this exactly. So let's pull it up, and then we'll get an XRP and the others. But I'm going to pull up Ethereum first. As you can see, it's just been bucking the trend. It is doing extremely well. In other words, we have a nice move up, sideways consolidation, which is fine. Took the RSI from almost 80. We're back down to 54. In other words, it's set up for a nice pop. If we get any kind of tailwind to push us up, this thing could run. But right now, I see a Thor's hammer, I call it. This thing is ugly. It's a red one to boot, so I would expect to retest, just to tell you, 43.78. If we break into the 4,300s or lower, I will be buying an additional 10,000. Then the 42, 41, 4,000. Once we break 4,000, all right, that's where I start to up my buys at the 50 EMA. That's the big one. That's where I like it, 3,900. Oh man, that's where I think we find the ultimate support. Never know though, it could be a reversal, but I am expecting this. Ready? In September, it's going to get ugly. The fear is going to go off the charts, and everybody's going to be panicking. And that is why I have my dry powder on the sideline, waiting to buy in off of that panic. When everybody starts to panic, I want to be able to buy. And that's what I think is going to happen in September. I hope I'm wrong, but I'm going to, just in case I'm wrong, I am starting the DCA project. I, 2 days ago, bought some XRP. On that little bit of a dip, and you can see we're right around the 50 EMA, so I'm going to take my chances around the 50 EMA. We held here, pushed up, got here, held, now we're back here again. I'm not going to be surprised to hit that support down there around 287. That's where I will buy an additional amount of XRP roughly there. If we fail here and it starts to go down past there, well, folks, that's where it gets ugly, and I do think we're going down to 249, 250. That is my next big place to buy. I might buy in between there, but I do want to let you know that that is the plan. Now, there's no guarantees what's going to happen out there, folks, but I can tell you this. The charts are my guiding principle. This is the light. This is the light tower where I'm out there in the boat. I need to know where to go. The daily candles on this tell me this. This is not a good-looking chart. This is not a good-looking pattern. I think we're going to go downward. So, and what I told you with the whole liquidity thing, put it all together, I will be more surprised if we absolutely pop. And if it does, that means I got to buy in at much higher prices, and I'm not going to be happy. If it drops down like I think it will, folks, you know, at least I shared what was going to happen, and then it does happen, and then I buy in, and then I'm pumped for October, November, December. And at that point is where I think we get a really nice pop up. And so I do think Ethereum will have a chance to get up to that 5 to 5,500 level. I think XRP is going to have that 450 level test. I also think Bitcoin will get up to the 125 to 150 level, but not until October, November, December. I think September is going to be exactly what has always been a tough month, especially with the Fed and Treasury getting that liquidity, taking that liquidity out of the markets from them building up the Treasury accounts. So we'll see. We'll see what's happening. All right, family. And I got to tell you, if you have not done it, make sure you get into the Discord today. Code LEARN down below. It should be automatic, but if not, you can put it in at the place where you can put in the codes. Second link down below. Get into the technical analysis, the 4-step framework for this. This is my webinar. You can have a national champion coach / teacher teach you this. It is phenomenal. Third link down below is over to the live sessions. Code MONEY will save you some money right there. And the fourth one down below is Kraken. Take advantage of the Kraken. Trade 100, get 25 in XRP. There you go. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.